In order to use the DSS platform, you can enter from the BhENEFIT website. As you can see here, you have to go to the section about our result, explore the tools. Here you can read Decision Support System. Click here. You will enter in the main page of the website of the project devoted to the Decision Support System. You can read here a brief introduction to the tool, and at the end of the page you can download the manual with the explanations on how to use the platform. And also you can find here one of our project's deliverable more related to the contents of the Decision Support System platform. If you want to use the platform, you have to enter from here. Please click. And this is our Decision Support System platform. As you can see, it's a simple website, so you don't need specific softwares or competencies to use the platform, but a normal browser is enough. In the home page, you can see immediately the map of the Central Europe area with the nations involved in our project. Is it possible to click on every nation and a pop-up opens with some information about the historic built areas and its features in that nation. Here you can see Italy, but you can find similar contents and info about the Czech Republic or about Hungary, and so on. On the links, you have the platform menu. So we are here in the home page, and in the other sections you can find more information based on the use of historic building modeling that are the main tools that we use to create this platform. We can start with the first section, that is layout. Here you can find 3 layout typologies, that is 3 possible layout of the historic built areas in Central Europe. We have Roman layout, medieval layout, Renaissance layout. You can click on every of them. We can try with Roman. You will find here some examples of towns and cities in the Central Europe area founded by the Roman with the very recognizable layout of the historic city center in Italy, in Croatia, or in other part of the Central Europe area. Then a short explanation about the main features of the Roman layout, and here you can find a typological layout of a very typical and traditional Roman town. You can surf on the model of the typical Roman layout of a town in Central Europe, simply clicking on the 3D invitation. You can move the model. You can explore the model reading also the comments. For every model there are comments about the main features useful to identify the identity of the place. This works for Roman layout, but if you go back, you can find a similar structure also for the other layouts. So medieval, pictures, text, and model, and also Renaissance, picture, text, and model. Then, if you want to go in depth, you can select another scale of work. So from the city layout, you can pass to the building typologies. Through the BhENEFIT project, we identified 4 very common building typologies that it's possible to find in the historic built areas of the Central Europe region. We have apartment blocks, terraced house, multifamily house, and single house. If you want, you can enter in every subsection and find information about this current and common typology. We can start